going to be unboxing the July Glossy Box. Glossy Box was kind enough to reach out and ask if I would unbox their July subscription and give a full honest review for you guys. So I was like, absolutely, that's what we're all about over here. That and the fact that we embrace the hot mess because it is a judgment, drama, and stress-free zone. So hopefully you guys decide to stick around. I do upload 5 days a week, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time, and I started uploading on Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I also have a vlog channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs. Check me out over there. I'm all over the place, pretty much just like my brain. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing and a little information about Glossy Box. Okay guys, so a little bit about Glossy Box. This is a monthly subscription. You can decide to sign up for multiple months, or you can go month by month if you choose to. And this is what the box for July looks like. It says Aloha on the front of it. I love the fact that this is like one of those like re-giftable kind of boxes, or actually decorative. So when I opened the actual shipping box that it came in, there were 2 of these gift cards on here. One is a $25 gift card to Velvet, and then another one is a $50 gift card to, it looks like a watch company, Vincerio. I don't know if I said that right. So again, this is $21 a month, and you got like some really nice gift cards. So jumping right into the box. Okay, presentation is everything. I love when subscription services have like an amazing presentation when you open the box. So this is what the inside looks like. You do get a little bow, and it does look like you get a pamphlet. And oh, I love this. I love, you guys know I love when the pamphlets not only show you the items you're going to be receiving in the box, they also give you information about each item in the box, as well as the retail value of the box. I absolutely love that, and it's actually like descriptions of the items. By the way, at the end of the video, stay tuned because I will go over the makeup if you guys are curious of what is on my face. I'm trying to get much better about that. Okay, so again, you get a nice cute little ribbon, a little sticker, and oh my gosh, there's even the little cutesy things in here too. Okay, I'm weak when it comes to presentation. Okay, so the first item I see is by Daily Concepts. This is the Exfoliating Dual Texture Scrubber. This is what it looks like up close, and it looks like one of those nice soft like makeup remover type of products. Let's read a little bit about it since we have that option. So it does say this is a body scrubber. It's perfect for even the most sensitive skin to buff away dead cells and dirt. Plus its shape covers more surface area to get more cleaning done in half the time. It does say it does have a retail value of $12. And I love these. I love that it's soft because you guys know I use sunless tanners. So this is perfect to exfoliate before you do your next, you know, sunless tan. Like I said, $12 retail value. The box is $21. Moving on to the next item is by Freeman, and this is the Hawaiian Black Salt Peel Off Mask, Deep Cleansing. I do like these black masks, guys, especially in my T-zone. You guys, if you don't know, I'm 42 years old. I have normal combination skin. It's kind of dry on the outside. Sometimes they can get a little oily, but I do suffer with adult acne. So I love using these particular kinds of peel-off masks, especially in my T-zone, because that's where I get the most clogged pores. So these are absolutely wonderful, wonderful masks to have in your arsenal. So a little bit about this. It does have a retail value of $4.24. Boost your skincare routine with this detoxifying peel-off mask by Freeman Beauty. This skincare treatment helps gently exfoliate, rejuvenate the skin for a luminous complexion. 100% I recommend these kind of peel-off masks. Not so much for like the perimeters of your face, but definitely if you clog very easily in your T-zone, I would definitely recommend this. So as of right now, off the top of my head, fast math, $16 and change is what we are up to. Next, we've got some, ooh, I like this. You guys know HASK. This is by HASK, And if you guys have been with me for a while, when it comes to drugstore dry shampoo, the only one that I've ever tried on the market that actually does not irritate my scalp is HASK. And this is the HASK Coconut Oil Nourishing Deep Conditioners. And these are really big. I should have shown you guys. Here is the up close of this mask, which if you follow me on Instagram, every so often I do like a self-care Sunday and I'll show you guys the mask I'm using. And this is the packets of these deep conditioners. And I have to say, even with as much hair, like lengthwise, as much hair as I have, I think I could get probably 2 uses out of each pack. So I mean, here's 4 total. So reading a little bit about this coconut oil conditioner, say hello to a tropical treat with this hydrating hair conditioner infused with soft, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna say this right, Moniola, whatever. Anywho, if you're new here, your girl, 1, is not really professional, 2, she's dyslexic, and enunciation, not so much my forte. I don't want to hear about it. Judgment free zone. So anywho, so it's a blend of Tahitian gardens and coconut oil to hydrate and strengthen. This conditioner protects against damage by softening and strengthening your locks. Plus, who doesn't love a little something extra? I love the scent of coconut, especially like that whole, if it's like a Tahiti scent, I just think beach and fruity. Yeah, just yummy. So anyways, it does have a retail value of $5.99, and I would say these have 1.75 ounces, so these are like deluxe size samples. Okay, so moving right along, the next item I see in here is called Balm, and this is lip and cheek balm color. Ooh, and it's in the shade Mauve Wave, and this is by the Beauty Crop. Now this is definitely a full-size product. It's sealed, but ooh, that's really pretty. It's in like a glass jar. Can you guys see? Let's see if I can open it up. Let's see here. That is really pretty. This is really pretty, whether that be for your cheeks. Ooh, I like the fact that it's a buildable type, and it's not like a tacky type of color. Can you guys see that? Really nice. You can tell it's lightweight, and it's not got like that stickiness to it. Really pretty. And you guys know I'm all about cream products. I feel like, especially if you have mature skin, you find a really good cream product that just kind of melts into the skin. It just gives a youthful glow to the skin. So a little bit about that particular product. It does have a retail value of $21. So right there, this alone is the cost of the box. And then of course, we did get the sponge, the peel off mask, and the conditioner treatments. And it says, this is by the Beauty Crop. Take a breather with this 2-in-1 combo that enhances your lips and your cheeks with a lovely shade of peachy rose. And it is a very pretty shade that does appear to be very buildable. So I do like the fact that you can multitask this, because you guys know I love to multitask my products. Ooh, this is, who is this by? Monu Skin, I believe is how you say it. It's Soothing Hawaii Facial Oil in Sandalwood and Lavender. We have to open this. Oh, that smells nice. Welcome to my channel. It is a Monday when I'm filming this, and I got ready to be like, you guys got to smell this. We don't have smell-o-vision, Rhonda. This isn't Disney World. You guys know what I'm talking about. Over in Disney, they've got this one. I'm gonna take a left-hand turn. Welcome to the ADHD Strong channel. But there's this, I remember there was like this, like theater, you know, you go in and you're watching the movie, and then like poofs of different scents come out, and it's like smell-o-vision, you know? And I'm like, why can't we have that in real life, you know? So anyways, this smells nice. It's not very strong scented. It's very soft. So I've not heard about this brand before. Oh, it's an expensive brand. What is this? This is 30 ml. So 100 ml is the actual full size, and the full size is $39. It says this gentle facial oil provides the ideal treatment to relax and comfort irritated or sensitive skin, created using a careful combination of hydrating sandalwood and soothing lavender essential oils. Your skin will feel comfortable throughout your entire day. This is really nice scent. That's what I always say about subscription boxes, is like, you don't know if you're gonna like something, so why spend $39? But if you spend $21, you get an array of stuff and you get to try out those high-end products. I should have shown you guys, I'm so sorry. It's a Monday. What can I say? It is a Monday. So this is what it looks like, and then the next item, this is what it looks like, and it is again a good size. I would assume a deluxe size sample. It says Northern Lights smoothing cream with Siberian olive. So let's read about this. Deluxe size is worth $22. The full size is worth $46. This is the Northern Lights smoothing fluid. In the height of summer, no one wants a dull complexion. This natural face fluid is packed with Siberian olive, rich in vitamin C and, ooh, I like this, salicylic acid to give you a radiant skin, tighter pores, and more refined skin surface, combining a light fluid texture and a matte finish. It's ideal base for warm weather. Salicylic acid is my favorite. Like I said, I do suffer with adult acne, or if I didn't, I've said it in other videos, so I just forget what I talk about. But I love salicylic acid. I always tell you guys, vitamin C twice a day plus a retinol every other night or what have you. Yeah, so I'll try it later. But okay, so overall, giving you guys my honest thoughts, this box, like I said, is $21, and I think that, like I said, it gives you the opportunity to try out high-end expensive brands. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, at first I thought it was going to be 4 to 5 full-size products, but we did get a good amount of products to try, plus the gift cards. So we did get 3, 4, 5, 6 items in here, plus the gift cards, and I think that I thought it was a nice box, to be honest with you guys. I think it's nice. I don't know if I would necessarily say it's my favorite, but you guys said when you sent it to me you wanted an honest review, and that's what your girl's gonna give you guys. I already know I like HASK. I know that my sensitive scalp enjoys HASK. I am excited, like I said, to use this because I am a sunless tanner type of girl, so it's always good to exfoliate and take care of your skin before you apply more sunless tanner on there. So I think that this is really nice to have. Beautiful cheek shade that is also good for your lips, and it honestly, it looks very similar to what I have on my lips today, and very curious to try these products out. So thank you again, GLOSSYBOX, for sending this over my way. If you guys did enjoy this box and you guys are interested in signing up, I will have a link below with a coupon code where you can get 22% off of your first box. Now, I think that's a really good deal. So you're gonna get this box for even less than $21. So in my opinion, this would be definitely a good deal. So that is not an affiliate code or anything like that. I don't earn a commission or anything, but if you are interested in signing up, like I said, I will leave it in the description box, and I'll try and pin it in the comment section down below for you guys. As far as my makeup, I am still trying out. So I'm trying out these foundations, the concealer, and then I picked up a blush and a powder, all of the L'Oreal Age Perfect. And then huge thank you to Alicia for sending this over, gifting this to me. This is the Scott Barnes Cheek Palette of Heavenly Goodness. Yes, I know I did use this blush, but then I mixed some more. I mixed the Minimalist and Strike a Pose, and then I mixed these highlighters, you guys. This palette is beautiful. So thank you again, Alicia H, for picking this up, sending this, gifting it to me. I love it. I will cherish it. I flipping cried like a baby. Like, she had me in tears. So thank you again for your kindness. I love you guys. You guys are absolutely so amazing. As far as my nails, finally I'm wearing a nail polish that you guys can still pick up. This is the Orly nail polish, and it's in the shade Oh Snap. I will try and link it down below for you guys as well. Everything I have linked, minus the GLOSSYBOX, will be affiliate links, so thank you guys in advance if you do decide to shop through my links. As far as my eyes go, Oprah had a huge sale, and you could also use a coupon on top of their sale products. So I picked up the Oprah Pro palette. So this is what you guys see on my eyes. I like that it has like this little casing that you can take off and put back on. So I have a lot of these eyeshadows on today. I have this one underneath my eye, and it reminds me so much of that Tom Ford quad that I picked up for that mint green shade. I love it. Absolutely love it. So anyways, that is the makeup that I have on today. Like I told you guys, I'm trying to get better about letting you guys know what's on my face. So anyways, and then I do have the new Charlotte Tilbury setting spray on as well that I picked up. Let me know down below if you guys picked that up as well. It was available for $20, I believe. If you guys want to know when there are good deals going on, make sure you are subscribed. Turn on your notification bells. That way you'll get notified when I post in our community section. Crazy good deals that I find that I want you guys to know about. So anyways, thank you again, GLOSSYBOX, for sending this over my way. I definitely appreciate it. And like I said, you can get 22% off of this box. So that means you would actually get this box for $16 and change. I definitely think it's worth that. I definitely think it's worth that. So anyways, guys, let me know down below, did you get a July GLOSSYBOX? Are you signed up for a GLOSSYBOX? What did you think of this? I'd love to hear back from you guys. And like I said, I upload 6 days a week over here. I'd love to have you as part of the family. I have a second channel, HOTMESSMOMMAVLOGS. Check me out over there as well. Normally I don't have makeup on and I'm always in my PJs. That's just how it is. Anyways, friends, until next time, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all of that. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.